What's up, my dudes and dudettes? Welcome back to the channel yet again. Today, we're going to do the first mod to the Jeep other than tires. Actually, I really don't consider it a mod. It's actually fixing something to me, honestly. But anyway, that's besides the point. Let's get to it. So this is what we're going to be replacing today. My hood straps. They are complete garbage. They make my hood flutter around like it's going to pop off at any moment and hit my windshield. I actually got some footage of it with my phone. I don't think you... Oh yeah, you can kind of see it. Yeah, you can see it jumping around. But yeah, that was, if you can tell, it's really flapping in the wind, especially at highway speed. I can show you why. Is this rubber piece right here is old. I mean, look how much I can pull it. I mean, I can really pull that. So we're gonna be replacing that with these. These are what I got off of Amazon. They were 20 bucks, I think, $20, $21, something like that. But they are a lot stronger, 3 times stronger than these. So hopefully they work. Let's get to installing them. In case anybody doesn't know, basically just have to pop these out of here and here, and the new ones have screws instead of these clips. I heard these are kind of hard to get off. There's like a little metal clip in there. I have little pry things I'm going to try and see if I can get them out with. That's pretty much it. So a lot of videos don't really show you how to take these off, so I'm going to show you how to take these off properly. Alright, so I got a flathead screwdriver, right? I believe it's the left side if you're on the right, on the passenger side. You take it in, you literally take the side of it, Okay, so of course this one fought me because I'm trying to film it. The other one came out like nothing, but it came out. You just see it pops right out. It's on the left side of this, and then you just push this out. Or not. There you go. Push this out. I actually broke it. And then there you go. It comes right out. And then you just take this one, do the same. Don't do it on your fender like me. Just kind of hold it. There we go. There we go. There we go. Jesus. It broke. Hopefully you're not using these again because you will break them. Okay guys, so this is everything you get with that hood Wrangler kit from Amazon. New hood rubber thingies, I don't know what you want to call them. New hardware. It screws in this time instead of the clips, which is way better. So yeah, that's everything you get with it. I'm going to show you real quick just how much better these are. Hold on. So here are the old ones. And see how much I can pull and twist with them. Like, just look at this. This is, I've seen worse actually on some videos. These are the new ones, okay? I can't bend them. I literally can't bend them. I can't pull them apart. I can barely twist it. So these are gonna hold your hood a lot freaking better. Holy hell. I have done it a little too tight. No way in hell. One side always slides out. Every time I go to do it, this stupid clip comes off. Okay, well, I've given up. This is the old hood latch. I just can't get this to latch. Like, no matter what I do, these little things keep popping out and I can't get it to latch. I give up. This side has the new one. It latched perfectly fine. I don't know what's going on. I've completely chewed up these, trying to push them in. It's not working. Well, one side of my hood's gonna be latched. The other side, I don't know. First off, if you made it through that whole video, I'm proud of you. Second of all, that video was filmed a very long time ago. March 13th, I believe, is when I filmed that, and it is now October 5th, 2019. So what, almost 6 months ago? More than that? I don't know, I can't count. But I found that video for a while. I got really busy and just couldn't get around to filming it. Also, as you can tell, the Wrangler's a little different. About 2 weeks after that, the whole debacle of those things not working, I just went and got actual brand new hood latches. I got them off eBay, and they do hold the hood down a lot better, but let me show you why they're actually not the best. So these are the latches that I got. They do work very well. They keep my hood down, they keep it secure, it's not fluttering around anymore. But like I said, I got them maybe back in April. Let me show you why I don't like them. This is why I don't like them. You can see in this one, it's already rusted, like completely rusted up in here. So guys, as hood latches do work, one does get rusty for some reason. I got them from eBay for $50. Honestly, now that you've watched this whole video, my honest opinion, I wouldn't even bother with the Wrangler things. I would just get new hood latches. I'd just go straight to getting new hood latches. You can get the JL hood latches, which are alright. I like them a little bit. I feel like they're way too big for these, for the JKs. To each his own, but if you want to get the Wranglers just for an easy fix, I'd do it. Just know that you might not be able to get your hood latch closed. Just know that for a fact. But yeah, that's it. That's all I wanted to say. That video was filmed a long time ago. I just wanted to update y'all a little bit here now that it's 6 months later. I have a couple more videos coming on the Wrangler. I've done a lot of stuff off camera. That's my bad. It's been so busy. I just want to get stuff done. I will be back making more videos like that, installation videos, more updates on the Jeep. Like I said, I'll be back. I can film a lot better now. My cameras look a lot better now. So that's it. Goodbye. Oh god, I haven't done this in so long.